Hello everybody, thanks for watching this video. Today I'm sharpening the chef's knife, Santoku, utility, and paring knife that are part of the Pioneer Woman knife block set. Hope you enjoy. You're about to see me pinch the top of the knife. The reason I'm doing this is to help the metal cool down. As you're abrading away material, it can start to heat up. Small knives and skinny knives like this are pretty prone to it, so you always want to be aware of not letting it get too hot to where it could potentially hurt the heat treatment. Good remedy to this is just once you start to feel it get a little bit warm, put it in between your fingers to help it cool down, and once it's cool to your touch again, continue sharpening.
Are we going to take out the box and this stuff?
I'm just showing all of them. Hey everybody, thank you for watching today's video. Hope you enjoyed seeing me do this. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. And if you want to see more like this, please subscribe. Thanks and have a great day.